So here I boiled the water for 25 minutes, and I'm gonna put the hot pot on top of the peaches and cream chicken trivet first, and put the hot pot of water on top of the Dollar Tree. After 25 minutes, obviously the peaches and cream 100% cotton was fine. It wasn't melted. It's exactly how it's supposed to be. And surprisingly, the Just Cotton Dollar Tree one that was 85% cotton wasn't melted, wasn't too hot. It was just fine. That was 25 minutes of hot water. So I'm writing out the pattern, and you're going to want to screenshot this next part.